Good morning, I'm Vitty and this is Grandma's Kitchen, the only kitchen that doesn't use ginger. And not enough is said about how good this Swiss roll is. Filled with Bailey's cream, fluffy, well soaked with the cream and with a fantastic finish. As you can see, it's a real showstopper and you can't imagine how easy and quick it is to make. Let's get started. 4 large eggs, size L. We separate the yolks from the whites, here we go. We're also going to use 150 grams of sugar and we divide it. Half goes here and half goes there. More or less it's fine, there it is. Alright, first part, the one with the yolks, the egg whites. We beat them. Until you have it like this, you got it. Then you go with the yolks. As you can see, the order of the factors doesn't change the result. Add it. Vanilla. 1 tablespoon. Great flavour for these yolks. And beat it as well. You have both mixtures, so combine them. See? The order of the factors didn't change the result. Gentle folding movements. And this wonderful 2-coloured cream will blend together to create a single cream. This spectacular yellow. What do we have to do? Add the flour, just a little. 100 grams of flour that we are going to sift. Regular all-purpose flour. Just the regular kind. Here I go, you sift it, and in about 20 seconds this step is done. There you go. And what are you going to do? Well, mix it with gentle folding motions so that all the air we've added to the mixture doesn't escape, and we get the sponge cake. Even though it's very short, it's very fluffy. We pour it onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper, the classic baking paper, or one of those silent trays. Icona, like the one my brother, the pastry chef, left me. Do you spread it well? Just go slowly like this and it'll only take about 20 seconds. And once you have it ready, with the oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, just bake it for 12 minutes. Not one more, not one less. Meanwhile, let's move on to the Bailey's cream. You need 150 millilitres of Bailey's cream and also 50 millilitres of milk, which is just a little bit. We mix. Wait, I nearly dropped it. Damn. This way, we make the Bailey's lighter. We're also going to use 300 millilitres of heavy cream. That's 2 cups, pour it in there. And we whip it. We need it to be whipped. When it starts to thicken, add 50 grams of sugar to sweeten it. Do you have it? Then add the Bailey's cream. If you don't want to, you can make a mixture by reducing chocolate cream or something like that. Even cajeta or something similar. If you have kids, feel free to skip Bailey's. The sponge cake is ready. See how it looks toasted but not overdone? We cover it and let it rest for half an hour. After the time has passed, and keeping in mind that it still needs to be warm, we're going to start rolling it up little by little. To remove it from the parchment paper on the tray, and then we spread it out again on a work surface. Do you choose the golden side facing up or down? I'll flip it at the end so the golden side is outside. Once you've decided, spread it well. With your Bailey's cream. There are many creams on the market. You can use whichever one you want. And as you've guessed, the only thing you have to do now is roll it up again. Slowly, carefully. And pressing firmly. There it is, that's the whole thing. I've got it. I'm learning a little bit, so that it has the same shape. And now I'm going to set it aside, for a little while in the fridge. After some time I remove the ends. Final touch. I love it with whipped cream and lotus cookies, but prepare it however you like. It pairs well with any colour buttercream or melted chocolate. Whipped cream and chocolate are also an amazing combination. Pick whichever you prefer. Go ahead. Like I said, a piping bag, a little whipped cream, just between you and me. If you use the canned one, it works just as well. That's it. To the table, final decorative touches. And me, for example, I add 2 lotus cookies that I got with my coffee. They always look good. And a drizzle of this wonderful cream. Here go our little cookies. And the work is done. There you have it. Gypsy arm cake filled with Bailey's cream. The dessert that will make you succeed like never before. Riss Rass, who bids higher? Easy, fast and fun, it's got everything. Well, here it is. Spectacular. We couldn't resist and already had a piece as a snack. But look at the inside. It's moist, look, fluffy, well soaked with the cream, and with a fantastic finish. Easy recipe, spectacular result. And if you want to make it, I'll leave the ingredients somewhere around here, wherever they fit, in the text box and throughout the video, so no one misses it. So I'm going to eat this with the kids. Here we go. Thanks for coming. Love you all. Just a pinch. Come on, you won't even notice it. It's good.